Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox email address using your mobile device. Whether you want to update your contact info or switch to a new email, this quick and easy guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the three dots labeled More. This will open a menu with several options. From here, tap on Settings to access your account preferences. Next, you want to find the Account Info section. Tap on Account Info, and you'll see various details about your Roblox account. Look for your current email address, and right next to it, you'll notice a small pencil icon. This icon means you can edit your email. Tap on that pencil to begin the update process. Now, it's time to type in your new email address. Make sure you enter it carefully to avoid any typos. After you've typed your new email, tap the Change Email button. Roblox will then send a verification email to the new address you just entered. Here's an important step. Go to your new email inbox and look for the message from Roblox. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. This confirms that you own the email address and completes the change on Roblox's end. And that's it. Your Roblox email has been successfully updated. Changing your email on mobile is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Keeping your contact information current is essential for account security and receiving important updates. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!